At dahil nagkating kayo, as your punishment, kayo ang magiging OIC ng Halloween Ball.
Pero ma'am...
That's final! Come with me to the faculty room. I-discuss na natin ang design ng event. Chap-chap!
At least I faced my fear. Wala naman talagang multo dito.
Wala ka na. Pero hanggang ngayon, minumulto pa ako ng iyong alaala. Hashtag, Whipping Wednesday.
Mahina kasi yung kamay mo. Kaya mo yan. Just work hard. I was here first, diba?
Hi, Kim!
Ito na naman.
I got you a drink.
No, I'm good, thank you.
But nainitan ka na.
No, I'm good, thanks. No, sige. Diba sabi mo kanina masakit sa kamay? I'll cut, you paint.
Uy, thank you. You need help?
No, I'm good.
Uy, si Mami.
Tignan mo si John, oh. Nahihirapan siya. Maybe you should go and help him.
I'm okay. You can help him, though. Parang pinagpapawisan ka ng malapot, Kim, eh.
Huh? You need my help? Huh? All right, dude. If you need my help, you know we're best buddies. I will help you, dude. Ow!
Si Taki. Sasaktan siya ng white lady.
Ano ba? Get away from me.
Get away. Kundi dahil sa akin, nabagsakan ka na nito ni kamatayan.
I don't need your help. I could save myself and you.
Ang yabang talaga nitong prinsesitang to.
I'm okay.
Ako na nga ang tumulong, ako pa ang mali.
What are you saying?
Oh, spoken in dollars again. What I'm trying to say, Your Highness, I'm sorry if you don't appreciate me. When I'm trying to be a hero and save you. Hirap mag-explain.
Hindi ko naman kailangan ng explanation. Wala naman akong demands.
Whoa. Look, you guys need to chill out, okay? Aki, Biggie was just trying to help you. You should thank him.
Thanks.
No, thanks you.
John! Halika dito. I have to show you something.
Ano yun?
Look, dude. Nakatali pa at it's like someone cut it. And I found this. Dude, someone definitely cut this.
Kala mo. Trops! Si Taki sasaktan.
Almost, pero hindi naman nangyari.
Hindi.
What do you
Ito.
mean?
Ito, tignan niyo.
OMG! Daring lang ang peg!
Joel, I don't think it's a ghost.
Kung hindi talaga yung multo, meron lang isang sigurado. Meron talagang gusto mo nakita kay Taki.
But how can we be sure? Baka ako or si Kim ang gustong saktan. We were both there too.
Eh, sino naman gagawa niyan?
Eh di isang witch. Kalaban ng prinsesita. Ay, mali. Kapwa pala niyang buwa. Joke lang.
Sige, isipin natin. Meron ba kayo nakaaway?
Well, there's Jacob.
Tama. Letter J. Letter J si Jacob. Maybe this is his. I don't think we should take any risk. Taki, you're on lockdown. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-isa, alright? Dapat 24/7 may bantay ka.
Okay sa akin yun. Kaso mababangga yung class schedule namin.
Oo nga, no? We don't have matching schedules, but we have Miggy.
No.
Ako? John, okay na sa akin.
Thank you.
Kuya, no. Kahit sino, wag lang siya.
Taki, you have no say in this, okay? It's done. Kaya siya ang magiging bodyguard mo. Miggy, you handle Taki.
Okay.
I'll take care of Jacob.
Pwede ba huwag ka masyadong lalapit?
Ay, sige po, kumalat. Sige po.
Wala pong lalapit kay Taki, ha? Wala pong lalapit. Inuulit ko lang. Wala pong lalapit kay Taki. 50 meters away lang po. Distansya, amigo, por favor. Wala pong lalapit kay Taki. Ha? Ay, hindi po. Lakad po kayo pero wala pong lalapit kay Taki, ha? Sige po, dala po kayo.